I've been using WealthSimple app for over 5 years, back when commission-free trading wasn't even a thing in Canada. 5 years later, the app has evolved, Canadians have evolved, and there's a lot more competition. I'm going to tell you the real truth. Is WealthSimple still worth it? I want to share the good, the bad, and the ugly. Stay with me until the very end, because I'm going to share what most Canadians don't know about WealthSimple app and discover too late. Hey, my name is Tracy. Just in case you don't know me, I'm a former engineer, part-time investor, and full-time business owner living in Canada with twins. I've been investing in stocks and real estate for more than 15 years. My goal is to educate you and inspire you to reach financial independence sooner than later so you can ultimately live your best life. None of this is financial advice. It's only for entertainment. Now,
Pros of WealthSimple.
number one, it's got the cleanest user interface in Canada. Number two, it has cash accounts, which are simply accounts where you could drop money in and collect decent interest rates. Number three, they allow USD accounts as well. But converting Canadian dollars to US dollars is another story, which I'll explain a little later. Number four, automation tools. They are great. You can auto deposit, round up, auto sell. There's so much things you can auto invest, which makes investing easy peasy for you because you don't even have to think about it as long as you put the rules and they're easy to do. If you're a beginner and you want to open a WealthSimple account, which I highly recommend, find a friend that has an account, ask for a referral link because your friend could benefit from you opening an account with some extra money. If you can't find a referral link, please feel free to use mine and it helps support my channel. So let's get back to the video. Number five, they are the best account for beginners. They offer commission-free trades, the best for Canadian stocks, Canadian being really important. And the app has been evolving over the years. They've been allowing more accounts, RESP, corporate accounts. And if you build up your account to these milestones, you keep getting rewarded with eSIMs, which is free data on your cell phone. You can get lounge passes. There's so much bonuses for being a loyal client to WealthSimple. Now let's talk about the cons. Number one, options are extremely limited. This is a huge downfall. You cannot trade anything more complicated in options. You can sell covered calls. You can maybe sell cash secured puts on certain accounts, which gets really annoying because you don't find out until you open the account, which I found the hard way. Number two, the foreign exchange fees are horrendous. Converting Canadian dollars to US dollars, they charge 1.5% each way. If you want to buy US stock like Tesla, forget it. By the time you buy Tesla stock, you're already down because of the foreign exchange fees. Number three, they have limited account types. They have been opening up more accounts, a corporate account, RESP, and they allow self-directed investing. So you don't have to do managed funds, but it's still not as comprehensive like other brokerages, a traditional bank. Customer support, it's mostly a chatbot. They're usually emails, and you only get customer support if you're a premium client, which leads me to the ugly about WealthSimple. Remember all the bonuses that I said they'll offer you if you're a loyal client? You get rewarded with free lounge passes. You get even a WealthSimple privilege card. But you have to have a certain account size. It starts at $100,000. For example, if you deposit $100,000 during a certain time period, they'll give you a free iPhone. But you have to deposit $100,000. If you want the privilege card, which I know is a very expensive Visa, you have to deposit $25,000 in 1 month just to get that card. Who has that type of money? For most families, that's a huge barrier of entry. Even if you pool your household money, that's a big limitation. Is it still worth it? I think for beginners, hands down, the best platform, best user interface. If you are focused on buying Canadian stocks, hands down, this is it. Now, if you're wanting to level up and you want to start converting your Canadian dollars to US dollars and then buy the US stocks in US money, you want to open a US account and you want to avoid the foreign exchange fees. Unfortunately, I have some bad news. You need a certain account size, at least over $100,000. Maybe they will waive that in the near future, but right now you still need over 100 grand to get all those perks, even to talk to a human being, a customer support service. Unfortunately, if you're below $100,000, I think you have to use a chatbot, which is really annoying, or by email. You want to sell options. You want to even do multi-leg options, which is a more complicated advanced option strategy. If you want to transfer a lot of Canadian dollars to US dollars, you're going to get killed by the foreign exchange fees. I know I poo-pooed about WealthSimple, but I actually really love the platform. I highly recommend it for the beginners. For me, I use it personally to simplify some of my accounts, being my plain vanilla RRSPs, TFSAs, because you just contribute automatically the contribution limit. It's auto invested. They have great automation tools, but I don't use it to convert my Canadian dollars to US dollars. I definitely avoid selling any type of options. I use Moomoo for that. As promised, the biggest thing that most Canadians don't realize, if you are investing for the long term, your account starts growing, you will outgrow WealthSimple. If you invest consistently every single year, and in order to make some pretty decent capital gains, you got to invest in the US stock market. I know that's not something you want to hear, but that's the truth. WealthSimple is just a pain in the butt to convert your Canadian dollars to US dollars, and you get hit with huge foreign exchange fees. If you want to level up with options, like selling options to hedge your portfolio or to just juice your returns in the year and collect some extra passive income, WealthSimple has a lot of limitations. But for the beginners, this is the perfect platform. This is the one platform I'm going to open up for my kids to start with. At the end of the day, the best investing platform is the one you can consistently invest in for the long term. Here's exactly how I use WealthSimple today. I have a checking account with WealthSimple. I treat it like savings because I like collecting 2.25% cash back on my idle cash. I also auto invest weekly into the market. I love that this feature is allowed on WealthSimple. I also have my plain vanilla accounts, my TFSA, my RRSP, my non-registered accounts, my crypto, and even part of my corporate account with WealthSimple. And I feel safe knowing that my money and my accounts are protected by Canadian Investor Protection Fund coverage of up to $1 million. Now, I might even consider buying gold now that this is offered as a feature. I just love how WealthSimple keeps evolving. And I'm so excited that WealthSimple is about to release a new feature where you can add multiple brokerage accounts so you can see your entire portfolio. I can't wait for that. Now, before you go, if you're opening a WealthSimple account, make sure you use a referral link so you get $25 cash back. Now, if you don't know anyone to give you a referral link, mine is below. You'll still get the $25 and it directly supports this channel. Thank you so much. It means a lot and I truly appreciate it. If you want more investing videos like this for Canadians, real life, comment Canadians. I hope to see you next video.